So this is a review of the Light Accents 72-inch floor lamp that I would highly recommend. This is in a black finish that I like. That's one thing I like about it. Number two is that it does the good job for your living room, your bedroom, or whichever you choose to put, to store it in. It is a good light system to have if you are, doing, you're like studying and you're like a studying room, and it is pretty bright when depending on the watt size bulbs you put on. It comes with two of them. One's for the top, and then this one, the cool thing about this is that it does adjust, so it could go up and down, and also it could go this way, like it could go straight, and then you could also go the other way. Like it's, flexible. It could go pretty much anywhere, wherever you like it. That is one thing I like about this lamp. And overall, I would highly recommend this lamp if you are, looking for a lamp that, you like to do studying, and, you're trying to do reading or anything like that. Then I highly recommend this floor lamp. And it is 72 inches, which is pretty tall, as you could see. The height is very tall. And I absolutely love the Light Accent floor lamp and would highly recommend it.